Jaime Flores, Phase 1, Grand Valley, 68 of age, number 30.
Number 14, Wilma Gonzalez, Grand Valley, Phase 3.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Christy Alarcon Dominguez from Grand Valley, Jurabilwan, number 5.
Sample, 65 years old, from Lily Street, Grand Valley.
Number 1, Sheila Bogdador. Yeah, so ayan guys.
Ayan, nakita niyo na kung gaano kagaganda lahat dito ngayong gabi na to. So lahat yan nagbabataan. Grabe, ang pinakamatanda, 41 years old. Diba?
Parang 70 years old.
Oo. So, dito lang yung pinakikita na age doesn't matter pagdating sa passion.
Yes. Hindi mo naman si Tita. Nag-nerve-wracking siya kanina. Yeah. What? 16 pa lang daw siya. My goodness.
Okay, once again, the ladies of the night. Para sa akin lahat kayo ladies of the night.
A round of applause, please. You may take your seat po. So,